guys, and today you'll learn how to use Premiere Pro even if you're 100% new to editing. Let's go! What's up guys, it's Isaac here from Isaac Productions, and today you'll learn how to use Premiere Pro. Firstly, you will need to already have downloaded Premiere Pro, and if you already have Premiere Pro, let's jump straight to the tutorial. First thing you need to do is to open Premiere Pro, this screen right here, and you will see a home screen. This home screen. You might don't have anything here because you're new to Premiere Pro. That's normal. So what you're going to do is to click on New Project and just change this project name to something you want. Maybe Test Project 1. It just allows you to find your projects more easily. Okay, now here, if you want to import media, double click and double click and find your video, or you can just go to files and just choose all your videos here if selected and just drag it into Premiere Pro. Now I'm going to teach you some layouts right here. This is the effects control. The most basic you will need to use is effects control. This is the program layout this is the program panel that allows you to preview footage, and this is your timeline, and this is the effects panel and your clip panel. So what you want to do is to drag your video to your timeline. You see, if your video has audio, you'll see a timeline here, and if you play it, you'll hear music. Let's listen to it.
It's kind of funny how it happened, 'cause it really cut me out. Didn't know what I should do, but now I'm really back in the...
So yeah, okay. So what are you going to do now is to learn the effects controls of this. This is the position panel that allows you to change the position of this. Just click it and move your mouse to left. Move your mouse left or right. Okay. Left will make it bigger and right will make it smaller. Same with the other position. If you want to reset it, just reset it. Same with scale. Left, right, left, right, left, right. No, right, left, right, left, right, left. Reset. Rotation 2. And this is the opacity. You make your clip's opacity to like this. You make it, if your clip has something underneath, look, if your opacity is 100 and if your opacity is 50, it allows you to see a little bit of what's behind your clip. Okay, the last of the effects control you need to know is level. It changes the volume of the clip by moving your mouse left to right again. Let's try to listen.
It's kind of funny how it happened, 'cause it really cut me out. Didn't know what I should do, but now I'm really back in the...
So now you know the basic settings of Premiere Pro. There's still more to learn. I'm gonna introduce you to some of the very helpful and useful keys. First is the cut tool, the razor tool, that allows you to cut clips, cut like that. If you wanted to undo, just Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z, and just undo all the things you've done. And if you want some faster ways to cut, press Ctrl K. Ctrl C lets you copy clips. Ctrl C and Ctrl V, you know that. Okay. For example, if you didn't use this way to make a new sequence. What is a sequence? A sequence is your basically the timeline and the project. So this is your sequence. This button, this icon right here. If you delete it, it'll set drop media here to create sequence. The other way to do it is to click on this memo button and sequence, and then I'll choose this 180p, and I'll choose 24. 24 is the frame rate, 24 frames per second, you see, and just click OK. Just make a new timeline. Okay, now I'm going to introduce you to cuts. Now here is a very beautiful time-lapse footage. If you wonder where my very beautiful time-lapse video comes from, it actually comes from Storyblocks, our sponsor today, which is a very useful and helpful stock footage gallery that allows you to access millions of videos, Premiere Pro templates, and After Effects projects, which is about basically everything. Insects, cities, boats, landscapes, space, everything, cars too. Look. So if you're interested, click the link in the description below. Back to the tutorial. Here is a city, a aerial view of the city, and that just click some apples like this. Just drag it to your timeline, and if you want it to be after this aerial clip, it will automatically snap back to this. And if your clip doesn't snap to where like if your clip it doesn't snap to your project, don't worry, just delete the clip first and just choose here snap in timeline 2. Then it will just snap back to place. And look, you already have your first cut. And if you want this clip to be a little bit shorter, you just zoom in, just hold this circle thing here, and left, right, like this. And if you want this clip to be shorter, just move your mouse to the end of this clip and click, and then just move your mouse. This will make the clip shorter, like this. And if you want this clip to be a little bit slower, just right click and choose speed duration. Change it to maybe 50%. No, change it to maybe the slower, 50%. And look, it's slower already. But let me just change it to 100% back. And just do this with the same, just cut it. And I'm gonna introduce you to some transitions. Transitions is found in the effects panel, which allows you to make some smooth video, but the most default transition is just choosing two of your clips and pressing Ctrl D, and just make this clip maybe longer. This one too. Just move this clip away and make it longer. Do it again, Ctrl D. Look, you already have your first transition, the cross dissolve, the most common but useful one to just make some rough cuts seem smooth. There's some others here which I think one cross zoom is very cool. That allows you to just zoom into something and zoom into something, zoom and then zoom out. I think it's pretty cool. And if you want to make the transition shorter, same with the clip. Oh, and if you find maybe your cursor is different, just press V. V is this one, or just choose it here. And just click on this and just make it shorter, like the clips. And look, transitions are shorter. Okay, just add your clips and just Control K again. Okay, I'll just do it to here first. And one more is if you want to add some music. For example, there is some music like this one. What will I do is to unlink and yes, like this. Again, here is position tools and here's the scale tool. Oh yeah, and if you wonder how I got this audio without my clip, because when you delete it, you'll delete all of it. You just right click and click unlink, delete, and just do that again, Control K, delete, and just like this, yeah, and listen to it.
It's kind of funny how it happened, cause it really cut me out. Didn't know what I should do, but now I'm really back and I can't shut me down. Well, just
now you made a basic video. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like my tutorial, please subscribe and like, and comment down below if you have any inquiries. And that's it for today's video. Peace.